Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Personalizations. Now scroll down again, tap on Font and Display Size, scroll down one more time and click on this little dot over here. Now you need to swipe left or right on this font size slider. Pick the perfect size of your font and save your changes by choosing Apply. And now, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!